Hi everyone, welcome to the Myntra EORS sale haul. So this time I bought so many things from the Myntra sale that I've decided to categorize them into groups, so it's easier for me to also organize them. The first thing I bought was this BoroPlus Aloe Neem lotion. So I've been wanting to get a lotion that is good for dry skin for some time, and I really wanted to try it out, and I have seen good results with this one. So I bought this one, and then the second thing I bought was this glow body lotion from Pilgrim, and I really wanted to try it out from some time, so I bought this one. And also bought this set of 4 liquid matte lipsticks from Pilgrim, and these are in the bold shades, and I'm really excited to try them out, and will definitely swatch them in some video. Go to the accessories. So I can't even believe that these are available on Myntra, because I got these for so cheap. They were like 2 sets of this for like 150 rupees or something like that, and they are really good quality, and they look really nice as well. And I got this was a serpent style bracelet, and this one was only 120 rupees, and I didn't even know all of this was available on Myntra, first of all. And this is also really nice quality, so I bought these two. Thing that I bought is this blouse from Soj. I mean, I know everybody almost has this blouse, but they're really good quality, and I was wanting this color from a long time, because I have a sari that I want to style it with. So I bought this one. These are really good qualities, and if you're looking for some good quality blouses that you can style with almost any of these sarees, they are available in almost all of the basic colors, and you can easily style them up with any saree. They look really nice, and they are very good quality. I bought might be the favorite item of this haul. So I bought this beautiful long white dress from this brand called Amakya, and I've had my eyes on this dress for a long time. For the longest time, it was for 4,000 rupees, but now on the sale, I got it for $1,000, and I bought it, and I will be styling this very soon. I'm really excited to do that. And the last thing that I bought are these pair of transparent heels. I mean, they look really nice, and they're very comfortable, and been meaning to try them out for some time. So I finally bought it. These are from a brand called Trace. I'm excited to try them out, because my experience with transparent heels has not been that great. You know, it feels like they don't like my feet, and every time I wear them, my feet get cut. But I'll definitely be trying them out and be sharing the experience with you. That's all I got from the Myntra end of season sale this time. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. I would like to see you here. Bye.